Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make slime. Yeah, it's not very stretchy, but it's still worth it. And yes, this is a lot of ingredients, but let's try it out. So the things you're gonna need is food coloring. It's optional, and the rest isn't. You're gonna need glue, baking soda, slime activator, and foam balls. Foam balls are optional too. I'll be showing you, and you're gonna need the soap and a spoon and a bowl. And this is what it turned out to look like for me. See, it doesn't really pour out, so yeah, let's go. So first, I'll be right back. It's gonna be pointing at the screen. I'll be right back. Let me go get my container.
Some more GACK? Making some more of that? Mama helping you?
No. And now let me go get my, I got the spoon and my container. Let me go get the dish soap.
Why are you making it that?
Huh? Because I don't have any more containers. I filled up all my containers.
Here.
Which dish soap can I use?
Container, right there.
Yeah, but it's all messy.
Well, then clean it.
I can't have water.
Clean it. Try it.
Is it okay to record me? Because I can't, like, switch the camera on. See, it's stuck on it.
You know what soap is?
Oh, okay.
Easy. You don't want that much? You don't have to ever wash the dish before you lie.
I have. Can I use this soap? Or is that Dawn soap work? Is that Dawn? Is it okay if I use this?
For what?
For my slime?
Why do you need soap for your slime?
Because that's how I'm going to make mine.
You don't need soap for your slime.
Can I use that blue one that I don't lose?
What do you need soap for this time?
That's how I make slime. Huh?
Don't be fast. Let me see that. You need it dry.
I don't know.
There's still water in there. You said you can't have water in it?
Yeah.
Right off really good.
Sorry, I gotta dry my container now because I can't have that blue bowl.
Are you videoing it now? Some dry? Need soap? Make sure you put that.
Okay, so you're gonna need this. So the next things you're gonna need is soap, a spoon, and a container. Okay, so sorry for the bright thing back there. Okay, so first get your container and pour some soap in there, however many times you want it. Now you're gonna get your oh yeah, you're gonna need salt. I'll be right back. Sorry if I didn't say that. Okay, so we're gonna put about this much. Okay, yeah, this took a lot for this one, so it's not gonna mess up. Now you're gonna stir it. Dang, this takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients plus 2. Oh my gosh, sorry guys. Sorry, this is just a waste of time, but yeah. Okay, so now once you're done mixing it, you're gonna add your glue. Make sure you mix the soap and salt well. Okay. Now pour your glue. Oops. I don't have much glue. I have a lot. It's hard to get it out. Dang, come out. Okay. Now don't stir it. You're gonna have to add your slime activator. You shouldn't add that much, but. And now you're gonna stir it. So you can add yellow, but I'm gonna go see if I can find my blue. Yep, it's right here. I'm not gonna be using yellow because I already have some yellow. Yes, this is optional for food coloring, but I want it. Add about, if you want to, just add about 5 or 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh crap, I just need to add 6. So now you're gonna stir it. Oh my gosh, it's turning blue. So now you're gonna get your baking soda and you're just gonna pour it. Not too much, not that much. Then you're gonna stir that. Oh my god, it's so liquidy. That's why we're not done. So you're still gonna have to pick all this stuff out and pour the juice out. I know, but that's what's gonna happen. Don't feel like doing that. See if the glue will help, because I really don't want to do all that. And the more glue you add, the more activator you have to have. So yeah. Now we're gonna mix it. I think we added too much, but we'll be right back when I pour all the juice out and get the little pieces in. So once you're done, it's gonna look all liquidy, but I'll be back. Okay, so you can get another container. So you can put the stuff in there and not the juice. I'll be right back when I'm done. Now you're gonna get your mix tool again. I think I left it on, isn't it? Okay, I'm back. So now once you have your stuff, but not your juice, you're just gonna stir it around. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little water so it won't be that sticky, but let me see if it's sticky. It is liquidy, so I'm gonna dry some of the juice out. So I'll be right back.
You chewed one of my books. You even chewed on my favorite Captain Dog action figure. I don't know what I'm gonna do with you, you chewy little chewer. I'll just lay these pages up.
I'm sorry, puppy dog pals is in the background. That's my brother. Wait, he's asleep. Okay, so now I'm gonna stir the water around. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more glue to this onto the slime. You have to put it on the slime, I think. And then you can just pour a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna start it. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. Then a little bit more solution. You don't have to do this, but I'm just trying to get in line. Or if you know what I mean. So now once you're done, this is what it looks like. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so now this is what it turns out like when you're done. See, yes, you're probably gonna get some blue on your hand if you put blue. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's actually slime. Let's play with it. Oh my gosh. Let's stretch it. Oh my god. I gotta clean my hands before I say bye. Guys, I'll be right back. So now you can add your foam balls if you want to, but I'm going to. My hands are so freaking wet, I can't even open them. Crap. Wait a minute. Oh my god. I'm trying to open it. Oh, finally I got it open. So, just gonna add a little bit. Oh, whoa. Got a little bit on the floor. Now pick it up. Okay. Sorry guys, I gotta pick this up. Okay. Now I'm just gonna start it. Okay, now let me clean this mess up. So once you're done, it's gonna look like that. So if y'all enjoy this video, just contact if you think it was good or bad. I really don't care. It's not gonna hurt my feelings. But just no hate comment, please. So bye.